During missions at sea, communication and incident detection are crucial for the safety of personnel and mission stability. When an incident occurs, RH Marine's Battle Damage Repair Support Tool provides crew members with a tool which ensures communication remains limited and effective. Stations are spread throughout the ship and are synchronized with each other from the command center to outer post, providing real-time situational awareness. Sensors are placed at crucial parts of the ship to detect incidents like fires, leakages, and system malfunctions, automatically reporting them to ensure shared situational awareness for all crew members. The Battle Damage Repair Support Tool supports defect managers in prioritizing and sorting incidents during battle damage situations. With a clear priority list, the most critical issues are addressed first, ensuring efficient use of resources and making sure that the most vital and mission-critical systems are quickly restored for the stability and safety for the ship and its crew. RH Marine's Battle Damage Repair Support Tool. Safe and secure operations.